Travels with Wyss.
Jayco Caravans. The truth, the pros and cons you need to know. Jayco is still the biggest caravan brand in Australia. But does that actually mean it's one of the best? Look, I've spent over 25 years in this industry building caravans, fixing them, dealing with the fallout when things go wrong. So today, no hype, no brand loyalty, just the truth about Jayco. G'day, I'm Wyss, and if you're thinking about buying a Jayco, this video could save you thousands and possibly your entire trip. We're breaking it down into what Jayco does really well and where you need to be very careful. And stick around for the conclusion, it may actually surprise you. So let's start with the pros. This is an Australian brand built and designed and engineered in Australia. They have a huge dealer network, and Jayco has, well, probably the biggest dealer network in Australia, and that matters. With easy access to showrooms, easy access for warranty claims, parts availability right across the country. So you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere chasing support. They have one of the best warranty support systems in the country. They have a very strong brand presence. They've been around for decades, and that matters. Resale value is generally solid because people know the name. It's a safe choice, brand for many buyers. They're competitive in their pricing. Jayco hits a price point that appeals to a lot of Australians. You're often getting a complete van at a lower price than many boutique vans. Entry level to mid-market, and that's their sweet spot. Mass production availability. Unlike some manufacturers with 12 to 18 months wait times, Jayco can deliver much faster. With a huge dealer network carrying stock, it's a huge bonus. You can get on the road sooner. They have user-friendly layouts. They design for the average traveller, not just hardcore off-roaders. They have simple layouts, easy to use, not overly complicated. Now, there are some cons. So let's talk about the cons. They're not generally built for extreme off-road, and this is where people get caught. Most Jaycos are not designed for serious off-road conditions. Dirt roads, fine. Corrugations, well, limited. Cape York, think twice. Gibb River Road, come on, you're joking. Push them too far, and that's when things start to break. Build quality, variability, well, when you're producing mass-built caravans, consistency can be an issue. Look, I've seen it. There are some really good Jaycos out there, and some, well, not so good. So the quality control can vary. They are lightweight constructed trade-offs. To hit those price points, compromises are made, and that can mean lighter materials, less structural strength compared to premium off-road caravans. They're fine for highways, just not ideal for punishment. And dealer dependence. And here's something most people don't understand. You don't deal directly with Jayco, you deal with the dealer. And that creates communication gaps, delays, frustration when things go wrong. And I've seen this firsthand many times. They also have limited customization. So if you want something highly tailored, Jayco really isn't built for that. They work off set models and production lines. You're buying what they build, not building what you want. So, who should buy a Jayco? Jayco is actually a really great choice if you're the right buyer. It's good for first-time caravan owners, holiday travellers, highway touring, caravan parks and light touring. It's just not ideal for serious off-road explorers, remote outback travel, people wanting heavy-duty builds. Look, here's the truth. Most people don't want to tell you. There is no such thing as the best caravan. There's only the best caravan for how you use it. Buy the wrong van for the wrong job, and that's when dreams turn into nightmares. Look, if you get value out of this, hit subscribe, because I'm here to give you real advice, not sales talk. And next up, I'll show you the biggest mistakes people make when choosing a caravan. That video alone could save you tens of thousands. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell and comment, and I'll see you on the next video.
Wyss.